Welcome to Rathescar Lakeside Walk, where the magic of winter transforms the landscape into a wonderland of pristine beauty. Nestled in the heart of County Louth, Ireland, this picturesque trail offers a journey of discovery and tranquility. Despite the chill in the air, Rathescar Lakeside Walk teems with life and wonder. Keep an eye out for the elusive creatures that call this place home. As you wander along the winding paths, you'll be captivated by the quiet majesty of the winter scene, whether it's the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze or the melodic chirping of birds perched amidst the foliage. Every step reveals a new harmony with nature. It's a place where memories are made, bonds are strengthened, and the simple pleasures of life are savored. Whether you're seeking quiet reflection or lively exploration, there's something here for everyone.